Deep beneath the waves, one of nature's most intelligent and powerful predators thrives. Killer whales or orcas are not just apex predators, they're social, emotional, and surprisingly complex creatures. Join us as we dive into the fascinating world of these ocean giants. First things first, did you know killer whales aren't actually whales? They're the largest members of the dolphin family. These social animals live in tight-knit pods, often led by a female with bonds that can last a lifetime. Killer whales are master strategists. They've developed unique hunting techniques like creating waves to knock seals off ice floes or even beaching themselves briefly to catch prey. Each pod specializes in methods adapted to its environment. They're also master communicators. Each pod has its own unique set of clicks and whistles, almost like a language. This sophisticated communication helps them coordinate hunts and maintain their tight social bonds. Sometimes these pods come together to form what's called a superpod, with hundreds of orcas in one place. It's a rare sight and a testament to their highly social nature. Orcas are devoted family members. Mothers stay with their calves for years, sometimes for life, teaching them survival skills and hunting techniques. And females, they can live up to 90 years, outliving males by decades. Killer whales are true global travelers, found in every ocean, from the icy Arctic to the warm tropical waters. Their adaptability makes them one of the most widespread marine species on the planet. And look at those teeth! Killer whales have curved, pointed teeth designed for gripping slippery prey like fish, seals, and even sharks. Some pods are even known to specialize in hunting great white sharks. These creatures are also deeply emotional. Orcas have been observed mourning lost pod members, carrying their dead calves for days, evidence of their strong emotional bonds. From their extraordinary hunting skills to their complex social lives, killer whales remind us of the wonders lurking beneath the waves. There's still so much to learn about these majestic creatures. So, what's your favorite killer whale fact? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible wildlife stories.